Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see how we can install Conky with Conky Manager in Ubuntu 18.04. So first of all, I'm going to open terminal. At the terminal, I'm going to run command sudo space apt space update. Let's specify the password. All packages are up to date. We don't have to do anything about our system update. Now let's clear the screen, and the first step, I'm going to install Conky, and for that we need to run command sudo space apt space install space conky-all. Then you simply need to press enter key. Press Y to continue, and that's it. As you can see, we have successfully installed Conky in our Ubuntu 18.04. The first part is completed. The second part means installing Conky Manager is a little bit tricky one. For that, you need to download some dependency files from the internet, and the first one is real path. This is a file which we need to download and install to our computer. The link is also given in the description area, so from where you can download this file. Let's select Save File and click on OK. Okay, the second file which we needed is the Conky Manager Debian package. For that, again, the link is given in the description area from where you can download this Debian package. We have a AMD 64-bit, thus I'm going to select this first one. Select Save File and click on OK. Now let's change our directory to download. Let's clear the screen and run command ls to check whether those packages are downloaded to our computer or not. As you can see, Conky Manager is there as well as real path Debian package is also there. To install these packages with the dependencies, I'm going to install GDB package manager on this computer. So for that, I'm going to run command sudo space apt space install space GDB. Now I'm going to install this package, and for that I need to press enter key. Press Y to continue. Now it's time to install that dependency package. Then we can simply install Conky Manager. And let's run command ls. Now we need to run command sudo gdb, and then you need to specify the name of the package, which is in our case it is real path. Press enter key. Press Y to install this software package. Fine, done. Now it's time to install Conky Manager. So the command will be sudo space gdb space Conky Manager. Let's press enter. Press Y to install this software package as well. And that's it. We have successfully installed Conky and Conky Manager on Ubuntu 18.04. Now it's time to test whether we are able to open Conky Manager or not. So let's minimize the terminal. Let's click on Show Applications. And here I'm going to search for Conky Manager. Let's click on CM icon. And that's it. As you can see, Conky Manager version 2.4 is installed on our Ubuntu 18.04. I'm going to click on Themes, and here by default we have one green Apple desktop theme available in our Conky Manager, which I want to apply. So let's select this checkbox. And here we go. As you can see, we have successfully applied Conky Manager theme in Ubuntu 18.04. So this is the way how we can install Conky and Conky Manager in Ubuntu 18.04 desktop version. That concludes our video demonstration. Thank you all for watching this video. All the links are given in the description area. So from there you can download the respective Debian packages.